What's up, guys? Mike here, Mike's Outdoor Supply, 3825 Prince George Drive, Prince George, Virginia. Check out the Windstorms. The Windstorm is probably Scag's ultimate leaf removal system. 7,500 CFM of max blowing force, 37 horsepower Vanguard EFI engine, electronic nozzles, forward or side to side and 360. You got electronic throttle. I mean, you can't get any better than this. We are actually, we're going to, just for this, we're going to take off $400 off the price of this. So you're going to be looking at 13 plus tax on this. So why rent at $250, $300 a day when you can actually own for that same amount per month, and it's yours. You don't have to worry about if it's in stock or if it's available, yada, yada, yada. But come by. We've got 2 in stock. Come check out Mike's Outdoor Supply, 3825 Prince George Drive. And the leaves are still on the trees. So, guys, leaf removal season is not stopping anytime soon. So come by and check us out. See y'all later.